Hey, good morning people. So today I'll be showing you around a typical Japanese hotel so that you know what to expect when you stay in one of them. We have a fridge here, a small chair, a table, a mirror, a lamp, a place to put my luggage, dustbin, air purifier, beautiful lamps. There's a window. This is like a night kimono. And this is the bed. And here's the washroom, and that's about it. You see, this is not a very big room. This is pretty small, but we have the toothbrush, toothpaste. These are the standard items which we get, and also shampoo, body soap, conditioner. Here's a shower, and I'm very much impressed because there's a spray nozzle connected, and so that saves a lot of water. I'm happy that they are doing that. Towels, hand towels, all the standard amenities, and more. But this is super clean. So here they have given me a device which has all the information of the city. On the bed, I have this option to set alarm, and all the room lights are controlled with the switch, and I can set alarm and it will buzz right on my head, so I don't like this idea. And in here is the cinema guide because we have a TV in the room. This is a control for the light. How cool is that? You can control the color of the light. We are not allowed to open the window. I don't know why. So that's why they have given us this air purifier. Fabric brush and the hangers. You might have noticed that there is no wardrobe, but I think this will do. I had booked this room for about 6,000 yen, so I'm not expecting so much. But yeah, it's comfortable and nice and good for my 5-night stay. See you guys around.